Yeah, we are back here in Second D once again. In fact, there were a lot we captured the last time, most important ones, but we couldn't get the real and the fundamental of a lot of things. So we are back here to, these are government blocks and some old castle up there. So we're going to go to the old castle and see what we got. This is a castle of slavery time and all those things. So let's get to see what it is. And in fact, always these things are very close to the sea for them to be able to transport the slaves very quickly without the country people knowing what is it about. But now, as a look of things, I can see now it has turned to a resident home. People are resident in here because no more slavery. That is the sea, very close all the time, man. Look at the step alone to climb in there. It's not easy. It's not easy. I'm just driving by the custom, but the fact is, it's a security zone. It's a navy area. It's soldiers around the side and doing their own thing. As you can see, we are all good. But the fact is, you can't know exactly what is going on here unless maybe you ask someone or something like that. So I'll try and ask this man what exactly this place is. I'll try and ask him because in our local language we have something called if you ask you won't get missing. Yes sir, good morning.
Good morning.
Please, this place was at the castle, right?
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
that's for Port Orange.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay. Well, I was driving past and I saw it and I said, let me go around and see what it is. So, thank you.
you're welcome.
Yeah, that's a confirmation from the man, and he said it was a castle. But now they just use it for a tourist site. But I have this problem in Ghana. How can't we do our tourist sites very nice? We are no more in those days. And in those days they were painted. So if the painted fade, how can't we paint it back? Well, these people are very lucky. They have their own plant. You see what is going on down there? I think let me view it a little bit for you. You see, this is Second takoradi. This is Second takoradi. They are navy area and a lot of things down there. But because it's a security zone, I'm not sure I can get you down there. But you can see where there are power plant and stuff. The well machines, all those tanks there are fuel machines, maybe for the plant or something. I don't really know about that. But it may be for the plant because to power this plant you need a lot of power. You can see some of the navy boats. Oh, they have a swimming stadium down there. Look at it. That is the water down there. It's a swimming area, a swimming stadium. And those two are for the navies. You can see the marine navy trucks and stuff and with their antennas, everything on it. Man, it's good, it's good, it's good. These people have amazing area and amazing things around here. When you look straight ahead of me, those are the fishing harbor, the fishing boats, and so many others like that. In fact, hey, that is the fishing boat market, man. I'll try and see whether I can get there. because the fishing place may be allowed for anyone to get in. So let me try and see whether I can get a pass to that place. So this is the Navy Hospital. Let me see the sign before. Oh no, it's not allowed for just anyone to enter unless you have an issue of injury, military base. So you can go in there. You can go in there. All right. All right. So I'm still trying to get to the fishing place. Maybe I'll get more view from that side to the marine sector. Oh my God. This is good. This is so good. I'm just trying to get a pass. Okay. All right. I just see where I can go at the fishing place too. So let me find some place and park my car. There's not even parking place here. Oh my God. How far do you want me to go before I can get some place to park? The taxis are full up everywhere because the fishermen are back in this morning. So I'm sure I'm even in one way here. Well, that's not my plan. My plan is I'm also on a mission and I need to get what I need. So let's see. I'm taking you to the fishing harbor now. Why they do a lot of fishing here. Oh my God. This guy is giving me headache now. Yeah. So that's it. That's my little baby there. So we're going. We're going now to the fishing place. See what we got. Okay, I got another entrance right here. So let me see what I can capture. Let me see what I can get. Yeah. So many flags up there. People don't even like it with the camera on them, man. But the fact is, I'm on a mission to get you watch something's real from other side of Accra and part of Ghana. So we love it. Well, we are doing this work for Ghana and for the world to see what Ghana also has. Some little games here. We have so much. Instant clothes, frying fishes. To get in here, you think it's easy like that.
Fisherman student. Fisherman student.
So now we are in the fishing harbor. The fishing market. The fishing market. Oh my god. I can't believe the fishing market. Oh, this is good. I'm fishing. Oh, this goes some fishing. Oh my god. I want to see where I can go high. Show you guys something. So that is the main so many boats and so many people in the fishing yard. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is takoradi, so you can be fishing. Just to get a better way. Fishing boat. Yeah, I think I get it now. You see? This is the fishing boat. That is crazy. Countless, man. Goddamn countless. Countless. Wow.